Welcome to Oracle EM, learning to optimize asset utilization. The problems in asset management without Oracle EM we face in our organization is that we have no real-time and factual information about our assets that are dispersed across industries and across the globe. And we do not follow a standard asset maintenance procedure or record maintenance schedule to arrive at the efficient space inventory required. The EM model that we will be covering in a series of videos are Introduction to EM, an overview about enterprise asset management, process flows in this, work execution implementation and preventive maintenance implementation flows will be explained, setting up. In this topic, we will cover EM administrator's necessary setup information by showing how it is done on the Oracle EM application with examples. EM profile options, which explains how system administrator levels the profile option, update on site, applications, responsibility and user. EM open interfaces and APIs provides several open interfaces and APIs enabling you to link with non-Oracle applications, applications you build, and applications on other computers. Finally, EM descriptive flex fields. A flex field is a field comprised of subfields or segments. You can use descriptive flex fields to track additional information important and unique to your business that would not otherwise be captured by the window. We will go through a series of forms under descriptive flex fields and its application. So let's start with EM overview. Oracle EM enables companies to drive maintenance best practices and manage the full asset lifecycle with a complete view of all types of assets and equipment. There are two types of assets in EM: capital assets or financial assets, and rebuildables or maintenance assets. Capital assets is an asset that has a useful life longer than 1 year and is not intended for sale during the normal course of business. For example, building, crane, property, etc. Rebuildable assets are those that you install, remove, overhaul, and reinstall. For example, engines, control boxes, computer boards, etc. Now, coming to the benefits of EM. The benefits of using EM is that you can manage all types of assets within a single repository or storage location and move from reactive maintenance mode to preventive maintenance and condition-based maintenance. An integration with Oracle operations and financial applications enables users to gain better visibility and accurate, timely updates of assets around the globe of the organization. This allows in maintaining accurate spare parts in timely manner in that location for that particular asset, which helps in efficiency in resource allocation. So the functionality of EM is to better manage inventory allocation, maintenance budgeting, prevent loss of time by doing predictive maintenance. Some Oracle applications are required to be integrated to Oracle EM as a prerequisite to using EM. They are Oracle Inventory, BOM, HR, Cost Management, Manufacturing Scheduling, Quality, and Work in Process. This is WIP. There are other Oracle applications, but they are optional. So this is the end of EM overview. We will be doing the process flow and setting up application in the next video. See ya.